Hey everybody, welcome to the Smoke Shack. Today I'm doing an unboxing video. I got an email from BBQ Dragon and they were talking about this new thing they have here called the Grill Stone. And so I emailed George Pryor over at BBQ Dragon and talked to him about it, and I got a good deal on it. They gave me a deal just to be up front. I didn't pay full price. I did pay for it, but not full price. So I'm going to open this up. This is for the Weber 22-inch kettle grills. It is called the Grill Stone. So get that out of the way. So what this is it is basically a heat deflector. It comes with very nicely packed, so you get reassurance that it's not going to be all cracked or broken or anything when you get it. Very heavy. It's very heavy, good quality. So what this does is you put this underneath the grate of your barbecue, and you can cook indirect with it. Just another really cool tool. I'm looking forward to using this. I'm going to do some ribs today with it. I'll do a video of that as well. This is a game changer for the Weber, I think. Alright, so to use this, sorry for the dirty ashes in there, you basically just place it underneath the little hooks for the grate. There you go. You'll put your charcoal underneath it. The heat will come up here, around the edges here, envelop your food. It's in there, it just lays in, goes underneath your little hooks for your grill. I'm looking forward to this, so stick around. I'll be doing another video tomorrow, or coming up later, with ribs on here. Try that out. Thanks a lot. Hey everybody, welcome to the Smoke Shack. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the BBQ Dragon Grill Stone. I cooked with this yesterday. I didn't want to do a review until I had actually used it. So I cooked with this yesterday. I did some ribs, and this was the top where the ribs were. It allows you to cook indirect on the Weber 22-inch kettle. I'm going to give you everything I like about it and everything I don't like about it. It's well built, it's heavy, solid made. I think it'll last years and years and years, unless you maybe drop it. But it's an amazing tool to have in the arsenal for the Weber. What I like about it is it works. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It allows you to cook indirect heat. You've got little indentations around here. These little wings rest on the sides of the kettle, and then you've got this opening here which allows the smoke to come up, and this opening here which allows the smoke and the heat to come up. You can smoke with it, you can roast with it, you can bake with it. It really is pretty amazing what you can do with this thing. The build quality is fantastic. It's really good. What I didn't like about it, and this is a small little thing here, but I kind of wish that these wings were tapered to kind of fit the bowl a little better on the grill. They're pretty flat. I wish they were more tapered so that when you drop it in the bowl, it just kind of locked right in there with the bowl. But I'm sure that would, raise the price to do stuff like that. But they're $49.99 right now on Amazon, limited supplies. It's really an amazing tool for the barbecue. I did the ribs. I overcooked them. That was my fault. Had nothing to do with this. But they tasted phenomenal. Had a great smoke ring. And so you can see this is the bottom where the fire was. You can see how that part there is just white, but all around it where the smoke comes out, you can see where the smoke would come out of here. Worked awesome. Did exactly what it's supposed to do. So whenever I'm using my Kamado, I always have a heat deflector in it, and this is going to get used the same way in the Weber when I use the Weber. It's going to make smoking easier. I mean, yeah, you don't have to bank your coals if you don't want to. When I use it, I just did a regular bed of coals, put this in, and it worked fantastic. So I highly recommend it. I love it. I plan on using this all the time in my Weber, and give it a shot. It's new on the market. I don't think it's been out for more than a week or so, and I could be wrong on that, but it's very limited quantities from what I've heard. And so I just wanted to give you guys an update on this, show this to you. Get you one. BBQ Dragon, I'll put a link down below. Good guys there. Good stuff. Talk to you guys later. Thanks.